So what's up guys, welcome back. So pretty much say you're facing the front of your car and you're facing your engine, the blow off valve adapter is going to go right here under this little I believe this is your coolant right here, and you see where my hand is pointing. So it's a little tight area right here. A lot of people were saying just to take the coolant off, this and that. You really don't need to if you have the right tools available. So you're pretty much going to have three, I believe it's 3/16 hex bolt patterns right here, and pretty much it's just 1, 2, 3. A lot of people were saying to move out the cold air intake, etc. You really don't need anything if you have a angle joint or something like that for a wrench. Me personally, I didn't really need to take anything out. So what I was running right now, super simple tools. I was running a regular screwdriver, that a little ratchet screwdriver. It's just super simple when you're in there. You know, you don't have to take anything out. You just literally crank and twist. And then second, for the hard one, it is a 3/16 hex bolt pattern. I use this for the third screw, which is more inside, and that way I don't have to take anything off. It's skinny enough to go in with no obstruction over here, and it just works perfectly fine. You know, zero issues with that. But I will say this third screw did give me a problem. You're not working with a lot of space, so you got to be careful you don't drop anything into your bay, because it was a pain. I did mine at night, which probably wasn't super smart, and I ended up dropping this screwdriver somewhere down here. But once you figure everything out, it's literally 10-15 minutes taking everything out and replacing everything. So once that's pretty much on, you know, next thing that you want to do is just pull this part off. You're going to slide your adapter onto the inside part that connects. I believe this is the recirculation valve. So you're going to jam in between the recirculation valve and the hose, and align it and twist it till every screw aligns, and then you're going to put it back on just like that. And as I said, this is a super easy mod. Unfortunately I didn't have, you know, the stuff with me, but you know, we're gonna do some quick sound clips real quick for you guys, that way you guys could hear how it sounds. I went with the Steeda just because this is more of a budget build for me. So everything that I'm doing isn't really cheap, but it is high quality stuff, and you know, it's really good mods. So give me 2 seconds and we're gonna get some sound clips for you guys. So yeah, as you guys just heard, that was how the Steeda blow-off valve adapter sounds from the outside. You guys will be hearing it in the inside in future videos. That's why I didn't record the inside noise. But super simple to install, super cheap mod. You know, it's just the easy first mod. Again, it's only 3 bolts, and you literally just pull the recirculation valve out and you hook it up. But I mean, literally super easy mod for Ecoboost. And I'll put the link down below for the product that you guys recently just heard. I'm gonna wrap this up because it is super windy outside, guys. But if you have any questions, you know, just put them in the comment section down below. I'll make sure to get back to them as fast as possible. Do not forget to leave a like, subscribe for the future videos, and you know, turn on that notification bell, guys. But again, I'll catch you guys later. Peace.